Small cap underperformance has been a feature for the past 18 months. In FY24, small caps will outperform large caps on the ASX. True or false?
True. I think they will outperform. The uncertainty in the market is getting less and less by the day. Inflation's under control, or taming now. The interest rate cycle is probably towards the end. With that uncertainty moving out of the way, small caps have the chance to outperform again.
Rising interest rates, everyone's feeling the pain. Consumer and retail stocks have been smashed. Is the worst over, or is there more pain to come?
I think in terms of the share prices, probably the worst is largely behind us. The market has already marked these companies down. It's expecting bad results. The realisation of that is not new news.
Okay.
I think with the uncertainty in the economy improving, the outlook's probably starting to look a bit better, but it's not great.
Okay. Medium term hat on. If you had to pick one commodity for the next few years, what would it be and why?
It'd be uranium. The one thing that we're seeing around the world at the moment is various countries around the world are reactivating their nuclear programs. We know that for the decarbonisation, we need a stopgap measure before batteries and solar wind farms can pick up the slack, and uranium seems to be the one.
Is there a uranium stock that's got a spot in your portfolio?
Yeah, Boss Energy is probably our favourite exposure at the moment.
What's the biggest misconception about investing in small caps?
That they're high risk. There's risk across the marketplace. If you do your homework, keep close to your companies, you can manage that risk.
Give us a tip to stay out of the potholes in small caps.
Don't believe everything you're seeing in a management presentation. Management presentation is the most, upbeat assessment of whatever's going on in that company. You've got to do your own work. You've got to look at that presentation over time, see how it changes. Basically, a healthy grain of salt in everything you see.
I've heard the small cap universe being referred to as the nursery. We all like things that can grow up. What's a small cap that can become a mid cap?
Probably a relatively unknown one is Impediment. It's been around for a while, and Impediment really got the holy grail, the NCCN standard of approval, right? That's the gold standard in the US for anything in terms of medicine. They've got that, and since that time, all 63 private health insurers in the US have put it on their review list. 3 of them have come out and approving it. In the state of Michigan, they've got 80% of people now covered for their test. This thing's about to really take off in terms of the sales.
Okay, thanks for stopping by. Good to have a chat.
Thank you.